Hi viewers, welcome to ChemEasy. In this video, let us discuss Knoevenagel reaction. If not subscribed to ChemEasy, subscribe now to learn chemistry in a simple way. Knoevenagel reaction is a type of condensation reaction in which aldehydes or ketones undergoes condensation with compounds having active methylene group in the presence of basic catalysts. By this condensation, it produces alpha beta unsaturated compound as a condensation product. For example, benzaldehyde undergoes condensation with malonic acid, which consists of active methylene group in presence of a base pyridine, produces cinnamic acid, that is alpha beta unsaturated compound. For this condensation reaction, basic catalyst may be ammonia or its derivative, that is primary, secondary or tertiary amines can be used, and the compound containing active methylene group may be acid, ester, nitrile or nitroparaffin. When aliphatic aldehydes undergoes Knoevenagel reaction, it gives alpha beta unsaturated compound as a product. This product further undergoes Michael addition reaction, especially where there is a presence of excess of the active methylene compound. So, due to this reason, Knoevenagel reaction is more useful with aromatic aldehydes than with aliphatic aldehydes. For example, an aliphatic aldehyde acetaldehyde undergoes Knoevenagel reaction with active methylene group containing compound gives a product alpha beta unsaturated compound. This compound further undergoes Michael addition reaction. Then, compared with aldehydes, due to steric and electronic reasons, ketones are less reactive. It means, as like aldehydes, ketones cannot undergo Knoevenagel reaction with malonic ester-like compounds. It can react with compounds having powerful active methylene group only. For example, ketone can react with ethyl acetoacetate, cyanoacetic acid and its ester-like compounds, not with malonic ester. For example, acetone, which is a ketone, with ethyl acetoacetate undergoes Knoevenagel reaction and gives 3-methyl crotonic acid as a product. Let us see the mechanism of this condensation reaction. Initially, base removes a proton from the active methylene group and generates a carbanion. Then this carbanion attacks the carbonyl carbon of the aldehyde and produces alkoxide ion. Then from the protonated catalyst, proton is abstracted by an alkoxide ion to form a hydroxy compound. Then the dehydration of the hydroxy compound produces alpha beta unsaturated compound, followed by decarboxylation of alpha beta unsaturated compound gives alpha beta unsaturated acid.